If you can see what this is, then you know what we're doing. We're going to do a vinyl wrap.
My car.
No, not Cogs's car. This is my new car. I got it recently. So it's the 2013 Toyota 86 GTS manual, but this one has a turbo kit on it, so boosted already. Oh, we're boosted already. And today we're gonna vinyl wrap the roof gloss black. We have never done this before. I've only watched like 3 videos on it. We're gonna see if we can pull it off without any bubbles or creases or anything like that.
Say hello, sister.
This is Mort. So we're gonna do a heap of shit with this. It's already got nice wings, but all of that is gonna be in another video. I haven't made it yet, but I'm gonna make my new car or a new video of my car I'm gonna get. So stay tuned for that one, and then you actually be able to see what we just bought. So yeah, Cogs's car's here. The rig, the light bulb got black, and it's fine. Lights up the whole suburb. That's just the music supply.
Coming soon.
Got something to listen to.
This is the new warehouse where.
Yeah, we just bought a new warehouse. This is our new warehouse for the next year. I got the lease sorted, so this is gonna be our new warehouse.
Do you want to just show the owner's face?
Owner, my manager. This is my manager.
Her name's Mort.
Yeah, that's Mort.
She cries a lot.
Mort is my girlfriend.
No, she's your sister.
Nah, she's my girlfriend.
No, sister.
So we will do the wrap, and you can watch us either f it up or we might actually get it done. Try and show you a step by step of what we're gonna do. Hopefully it's right, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. This is our tools or supplies for the day. Our bucket and sponge. We've got our heat gun, a few spanners, I don't know which one I'm going to need to take the aerial. We've got some scissors, a few cards, a microfiber towel, a razor, some screwdrivers, measuring tape, and a squeegee. This is just a gloss black vinyl wrap, and we're going to have to take the fin off the top, the antenna, and wrap that as well, which that will probably be the most difficult part, but we'll give it a shot. First step is we've got to get some water. Got our water. So we're just going to get the bulk of the crap off the top, all the dust and dirt, clean it up, and then we'll go over with a soap and I got a clay bar as well. I think I bought the clay bar. Oh. Clay bar. Yeah, just give it a quick shiny.
Cogs is actually going to participate.
Yeah.
Good job.
Do you want to do it, Matt?
No, I'm good on the cameraman.
This is a microfiber towel, just a little one. Let's give it a quick wipe. You do that side with that.
Oh, you spray it one more time.
Alright, clay bar. Spray a bit. After a bit more of it, you can tell, as you can see, it just glides now.
Beer belly.
That's what all fucking 16 Ronas would get you. Alright, so there's one. So what we're going to do now, we're going to try and undo the 3 pins up here, so then we can get to the aerial, unbolt it, and then take it out. The airbags. I should probably disconnect the battery. We're having the most difficulty trying to get in there behind the headlight. We're having trouble trying to fit our spanner in there to get that. If you see that silver nut that holds the aerial, we can't get that. Yeah, we've been on this probably for minutes now, and we can't get it because if we pull this too much, we'll break the liner. But the only spanners that we have that will fit that, because all the other one's too small, is this adjustable thing, and it's so heavy. You gotta hold it at the back here, and it just gets, you can't really get it on the nut. Alright, so after like 40 minutes after about 40 minutes trying to get this piece of crap off, we unbolted it and unplugged it, so it should. There we go. We'll give this a quick wipe down because it's got crap from underneath. So once taking the antenna and the guards off the roof and you've wiped it all down, made sure no dirt is on it, you want to get your vinyl and then start mapping it out and seeing, like, setting it up. Just excuse the wobs. There are Cogs's. Alright. So I need to cut a piece off for the shaft antenna. We're going to tape half of this down on one side so that it doesn't move. Do we want to peel this white stuff off and bend it under there and leave it, or just slice the white stuff off?
Say it again.
No, we'll just slice that.
I was trying to think what you were saying. Oh,
Don't-
so we need to get rid of this white bit.
Yeah, it's like a sticker. Okay, get a good hold of it and we'll bend this up. Hold it right now.
There you go.
That's well. Pull your wood down there. That's good. Tension. And just leave it like that. It's so much harder than I thought.
Just think of Peter persistence.
Whatever you do, don't let it stick to itself. Let bend on there. Just can't get it. What? So this is the update so far. This is just so stressful. Right. So we've done this bit here. That we stuck this down. That's all nice and no bubbles. And we had to keep coming up and making sure that it wasn't bubbling or making like an air bubble over this ridge. So now that we've done this bit here, we need to follow it through to the front. And then once we've done that front, we can pull all of this over, and this side will be done. And then we're gonna do that side. But this bit here was a little bit tricky, just because it's our first one, but we're getting better at it. Cogger's arms are a bit sore from holding up the vinyl. All the bubbles out, it's nicely like following this groove here. We finally did this whole side. That probably took us
3 hours?
Nah, I reckon like 2, because we had breaks and stuff and we're talking and mucking around. We kept pulling it back up to get like the tiniest bubbles out. Yeah, now we're gonna do that half.
We're gonna have to go on the other side.
Yeah, hold this up.
Oh. You. Oh my god, they're already hurting. Can you hold it again? Quick. I'm gonna flop it. Oh. Hurry up. Sick face.
Don't rush.
Mate, my arms are falling off. There's a rush.
Slow down. We need to get the groove. Oh, pull it up, you're going too quick.
It's quick. Oh!
The groove.
I know, they're f***ing sore, mate.
I see you the groove.
Go, you got 2 minutes before next break.
Hold it.
Ready?
No,
they're gonna flop, they're gonna drop. Quick.
Legit just hold.
Oh! Quick. Oh!
Oh fuck.
I'm gonna have delts the
I
side.
turn the camera off. We're trying to wrap this antenna shark fin, and then bringing the shark fin in from behind and pushing it through, and hopefully it makes a nice mold around it. I've got this side perfect, it's just this bit here, getting it back around. We finally, after, it's like 3 AM in the morning, we started this at 9:30 at night. Now, so about 6 hours, just there, and we just got all of this on. Now we're starting to cut the excess off, but we haven't done the antenna yet, which is going to be difficult. So I'm not looking forward to finishing that. Okay, so with this vinyl wrap, it comes with clear coat on top. So we're going to take that off now. Let's take this off now. That's slick. I'm so tired. It's like 3:30 in the morning. Been on for like 6 hours straight on this thing. I don't know why it's taking us so long. We're just not good at it, obviously. But but I mean, it's on there. But I reckon we did a right job for our first time. I'm having trouble wrapping the shark fin antenna, and I'm too tired to really care about it right now. So I've just left it off, and I'll put it on tomorrow when I can be bothered trying to use the vinyl again. But for right now, I don't even want to see vinyl ever again. Cogs is just on the clean up. He's at it. But yeah, this is what the car looks like at the moment. Once I get the antenna on, I'll show you guys in the morning or the next day when it's clean. But this is what we're... Oh, I'm so tired. I can't be bothered doing anything. I've still got to pack this whole place up. So what I've done this morning, I've ripped it off and I've started again. I'm trying to heat the whole wrap up and just mould it in one big piece. And I'm finding that's turned out a lot better. This is what we're dealing with. So like this side and the back is all done. Now I'm just going to do this front bit. Hopefully this turns out alright. Okay, so this is what I'm left with now. Alright, so this is what I've got. I've got the fin. I know it's not the best job. There's a few like bubbles or little creases in it, but I mean I'm happy with it because it's the first time. So what we're doing now is just going to put the antenna back in the cover, screw it up, and then we can put it back on the car. Raise it, and then we can fold it in. Okay, so now that we got the fin on the roof, we need to go back inside the headliner and do that bolt up and connect the aerial. I think I'm gonna need another person because I think I need someone to hold the antenna while I'm doing up underneath, because as I'm trying to twist it up, the antenna's poking back up out of the roof, so I'm gonna have to go find another pair of hands. I'll be back. Okay, update. We've put the antenna on. It is all connected up in there. So now we can start putting the roof liner back on and these things click back into place. And then we should be just about done. If you guys are still watching, thank you for subscribing if you have, and if you haven't, please subscribe down below. I'm making a lot more videos now that I got my own car. I'll make an overview of my new car, and you can just see what I got and what's on it. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and that's pretty much it. Cogs? Go to bed. Yeah, we're going to bed. Bye.